The former governor's defense attorneys and family members hope a new judge will be more receptive to their arguments. They'll be going after how the case was handled and the sentence was handed down. Don Siegelman's attorneys also hope to get him released on appeal until it's settled. Somewhere between a federal prison camp in Louisiana and federal court in Montgomery, former Alabama Governor Don Siegelman is preparing for a Monday court appearance.
Unfortunately, I'm not optimistic, but I do remain hopeful, and I'm hopeful that this new judge does view this case differently than other people have.
Former Middle District U.S. Attorney Laura Canary recused herself from that case, but Siegelman's attorneys claim that she still had too much involvement in the Democrats' prosecution because of her husband's ties to his Republican challenger.
The extent of her continued involvement, we don't actually know. We just know that she did have her hands in the case to a degree on a number of different occasions.
Siegelman was convicted on bribery and corruption charges in 2006. Prosecutors said former HealthSouth CEO Richard Scrushy bought a seat on a state hospital regulatory board from Siegelman with an education lottery campaign contribution. The defense claims Siegelman's sentence from Judge Mark Fuller is 3 times longer than the federal guidelines. WIAT 42 News political expert Steve Flowers says federal judges are very reluctant to override a previous judge or jury's decision.
More than likely, the grounds they convict him on are a little ambiguous, and the sentence he received from Judge Mark Fuller was extremely harsh, given the conviction. But having said that, that's what happened back in 2006.
Siegelman's case was reassigned to U.S. District Judge Clay Land of Georgia when federal Judge Mark Fuller of Alabama was arrested on domestic violence charges in Georgia. The first hearing is set for Monday at 10:30 a.m. in Montgomery. Mike McClanahan, WIAT 42 News. Coverage you can count on.